This is how to install the Innerglass interior double hung storm window. First, you attach the outer track along the left top and right side with screws, as you can see. Then you install the inner tracks at the left side. There's a thick track that has holes near the bottom. Put those into the exterior track. On the right side we have a shallow track with again lock holes. Then you put the top track in. These tracks can be used and shimmed in between them in order to accommodate out of square openings. Then you put the lower sash in. It has springs on the side, left side, and it fits very tightly, yet it slides up and down simply. Put the top one in front in the inner track, and they lock halfway open, closed, and both sashes move.